Hey everybody, it's Lisa Medley and I am here in the ocean state, the ocean behind me, to offer you some information and inspiration on how natural relaxation is. Relaxation is a very good word to become friends with, and not something to be like, oh, well, when I go on vacation or when I have time, or feeling maybe selfish or guilty that, oh, I don't know if I have time to relax. Well, let me tell you, if you don't, your body will make time. And unfortunately, if your body makes time when you are in body breakdown, it's not very relaxing. And it can be. So I'm sitting in front of the ocean in part to offer us an environmental backdrop and reminder that the ocean, just like your breath, which is your internal wave, one of the many internal waves in your body, naturally inhales and exhales. It naturally ebbs and flows. Hopefully you can hear some of this beautiful sound behind me. Now we know this. We go to the ocean, we feel it, we breathe it in. It's just so nourishing and nurturing, partly because we are made of it. We actually have a similar salt and mineral content as the ocean. We are so part of the natural world. And you know this, like, when you've cried and maybe you've, wiped tears away, or maybe you've like tasted tears and they're like a little salty. Yeah, that's how connected we are to the ocean. We're connected to the natural world in lots of other ways. And when it comes to the rhythm and pace of the ocean, the inhale, the exhale, and our breath, the inhale and exhale of our breath, it is natural to have this pacing. It's natural to have a rhythm of effort and recovery. Inhale, exhale, ebb, flow. It's not natural to have just one or just the other. And in our culture, we're really, really, really good at effort. We're really good at the flow, just the go, the push, and not so good at coming back to center, coming back to self. What does that mean? How do we do it? Is it okay for me to do it? But I have so much to do. I don't have time to relax. I can't relax. That's some of the things I hear from clients, and I get that it feels that way, and yet it's just a learned behavior. It's our cultural conditioning that has been imposed on you to keep you from your true nature, your true divine nature, and you get to breathe, right? You get to inhale, you get to exhale. What if the ocean only ebbed? What if it only flowed? That doesn't make sense. And when it comes to your breath, what if you only inhaled? What if you only exhaled? That doesn't make sense either. So the warped and limiting beliefs around, feeling lazy or feeling selfish or feeling like guilty if you're like not doing something and you're like, I should be doing something, right? That, if you experience that, it's just learned behavior. It's not natural. It's really inhumane to treat yourself that way. And if you do, don't beat yourself up about it. It's all around us. The technology, our culture now, it just gets faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. And one of the systems of your body that supports you to relax is your nervous system. You have many aspects of your nervous system, and there is one aspect of your nervous system called the parasympathetic nervous system. You have the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible to keep you surviving and safe. And like when you're driving down a highway and a car is about to come into your lane and you go on high alert to engage everything to keep you safe, that's a good thing to have. However, we are engaged in that system almost all the time. Now, the parasympathetic nervous system is, I know it sounds kind of counterintuitive, but it's called the parasympathetic nervous system. This is where the relaxation response lives. This is where you get to rest and digest, to restore, to help return you to ease, to help slow everything down. And it's where self-healing happens. It is your natural superpower. And you don't have to go figure it out. You don't have to order it online. It is built into your physiology. And it gives you all the permission you need to relax, to slow down, to just settle and take a moment, to take a breath. And that it's okay. It's okay to do that. It's natural for you to do that because you're not a machine. And if you want to be a maniac, you're going to have body breakdown at some point because your body physiologically, energetically is not designed to go, stress, push without restoring. And you are the only one that can give yourself permission to do that. And when your body is in a state of stress, if you are feeling like a tight fist and don't have capacity to take full breaths, that is a really, really good sign and signal from your body and its wisdom that it's time to take a time out. It's time to restore and recover and rest. And there's a lot of ways to do that, a lot of ways. And today's inspiration and information is just to highlight that you have systems of your body, you have your breath, you have this parasympathetic nervous system. These are just two of many examples of your body that is here to support you to relax, and that it is natural and critical, and that you can choose to do that. And how do you do that? You just choose it. You just choose it. You know, today I could have stayed at home and done some more dishes and done some more organizing and done some more laundry, or I could come here and get restored by nature, by the sea air, and be supported by the environment that reminds me of my divine human nature, and to relax and to take it easy and to take some breaths and get some perspective and re-energize. So that's one of the payoffs, is relaxing, is you get to feel more energy as well because you're restoring yourself. You're restoring your energy. So take that to heart, to gut. Get out of your head long enough to just feel into your body and how you're feeling. Are you feeling like a tight fist, or are you feeling like you can go with the flow? Because that gives you all the information and wisdom that you need. Thanks for listening. Feel free to give me a comment, question, aha, anytime.